Well, hello, my YouTube family and friends. This is Antoinette, and I am bringing you an update on one of my favorite plants called a Jade. And I named her Miss Ella. There is a previous video of Miss Ella if you'd like to view it. I can't remember when it is, but it's in my video logs. Okay, well anyway. So early part of the summer, I'm trying to get a better view of her. Early part of the summer, I moved her to clean the mantle off, and I forgot to put her back. Now where I put her was a location that didn't have a lot of sun. I don't know why I can't get this better. Let me see if I can show you better. There you go. But I forgot to put her back. So anyway, I think maybe a few weeks had passed and I didn't put her back, and then I put her back in the mantle. But the reason why, what I noticed was that she wasn't looking as pretty as she was before I moved her. So I put her back on the mantle, and I've been looking at her, and I'm not liking how she was looking. So I was noticing that her leaves were like, you see, her leaves were like that. And I know we've had a really hot summer, and I'm not really used to this kind of heat on her. So maybe this is what they do. I don't know, but I don't like it. I don't like it. So anyway, I brought her outside. So she could get some fresh air, and I really wanted to repot her this year. I really do. Maybe that'll help. Well, anyway, that's my update on Miss Ella. I'm gonna bring her back because, like I said, this is one of my favorite plants. So, and yeah, she needs to get trimmed and everything. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated on her, and yeah, she's going to come back. She's going to come back. She's still growing though, you know. She's got baby sprouts in here, and she's still growing and everything. So maybe it's just the heat, but that doesn't make sense. Anyway, she's got roots coming out, you know, so she's still growing. Anyway, yeah, that's my update on Miss Ella. So if you have any suggestions, I would love them. I definitely don't want to lose her, and I don't want to get all springly and with the leaves leaving. Ugh. Anyway, yeah, I would love your suggestions. Okay, so thank you for viewing this video. Remember to love someone, give them a kiss, and appreciate the small things. This is Antoinette, and God bless. Oh yeah, I always forget this part. Subscribe to my videos, and there's a bell up there on your right hand side. Click that bell to be notified when I upload other videos, and you will be the first to know. Okay? All right, continue to love. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.